What I have here today, oh crap, let's see, today is Tuesday, December 13th. This watch is off. I gotta fix this. I just started wearing this yesterday. Oh wait, I had to do the Bun Special prep. The Bun Special video, written, directed by Bun Special, graphics by Bun Special, stunts by Bun Special, handcrafted with the finest ingredients, sound effects by Bun Special. This video is performed by an amateur. Do not attempt at home. No watches were harmed in making this video, for entertainment only. I'm wearing a different watch today. What's this? I think it's called Review Thoman. No, I don't know. Maybe I'm pronouncing it wrong. I decided to wear this one because it has the metal bracelet. The other watch, it was like a plastic, and it was starting to get beat up. Because I wear my watches, I don't. I wear them to work, so they have a tendency not to be exposed to the nicest conditions. I noticed about this watch. The hands are the only thing that are loomed. All these numbers, everything else, no loom on them. So, that's where we stand. I bought this years ago. This is the first time I'm wearing it, so I'm finding out. Screwed down crown though, that's nice. But only the loom is on the hands, and it's not very good, so this thing, I don't know how old it is. Used off of eBay. The only way to travel. Okay, I got one of these pocket. Well, I have one. This one I bought real cheap for like 20 bucks or something off of eBay because it wasn't running. This one is running. The way it goes, well, you hit the top button, it moves. You hit this button, one of them stays behind, but the other one moves. And then you hit it again, and it goes back, and everything moves. And then you hit the top again, and then you hit the side one, and you reset. That's the way it's supposed to work, but on this one, it wouldn't reset. It works, but it wouldn't, there it goes, tick, tick, tick. It wouldn't reset. And this is the dial, just so you know. So I said, it doesn't reset. So I took off, I'm working on this now. I took off the mechanism that goes on the top here. Maybe I can zoom in now. Yeah. Here it is if I flip it over. I took this off. Semi pain in the neck. Oh, what did I find out? Oh, many glorious things I found out. Maybe I should put this. I'm gonna put this here now. Yeah. I can zoom in again. What did I find out? Oh, it doesn't want to focus? Wow, I can't get in that close. Well, if I do this, I can get in closer. Okay, so what I found out when I finally took this off, to get this part off out of this plate, I don't think I'm going to do that. Oh, I should have done this. Wait, how does this go? So when I took it apart, I'm going to recreate. It always has to move. Always has to move. Everything has to move. Yeah, so I took it apart. Let's see. And I see the heart cam here that does all the resetting, but yeah, as you can see what I just did, it's that's not attached anymore. It's moving around. So yeah, it would reset the heart cam, but the heart cam wasn't attached to anything, so it just spin freely. So no resetting. So we gotta figure out. I gotta close the hole on the heart cam so I can get it to not move. But there's some problems. I didn't measure anything yet, but I don't know if I will. The problems being, if we can pick this up. What is the problem? The problem. Let's see if it will focus. Yeah, I guess you can see at the top of this, I don't know, post or whatever. You see those ridges, those two lines near the top. Those stick out. They're about, well, a thousandth of an inch larger in diameter than where the hard cam would attach. So I was thinking about, there's some tools in the staking set to close holes. Well, one's a round face punch to close holes, and the other one is a three-sided sharp punch that puts little nicks to grab onto stuff. But if you close it too much, how are you gonna slide it down this post with those bumps in there? So I gotta think of something. And to get this off, well, you got that hard cam up there. I really don't want to take that off. I really don't want to take that off. So I gotta try to do all this while it's all still attached like this, and then it would work. But I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. So that's what I'm working on right now. Thinking about this. Took it all apart. And that's the way that one is. Okay, well that was exciting. Let's see. I got some time left. I got like 4 minutes. We'll delve into some bonus material. What do I got here? I would buy movements off of eBay. Let me move this out of the way. Let's see what kind of movements we got here. Okay, movements. Well, you could get a whole bunch of movements. Running, non-running, who the hell knows. So the first one is Hamilton. This one works. Why don't I use this one? Oh, this one requires a, it's when the stems were attached to the movement and not the case. You see over here, so I had to get a stem for this, and they're not easy to get, I found out. But other than that, it's 17 joules. Looks good, except for the dial. Well, it's a 4-footed dial too, so maybe I have to get one of those replaced. And what's this one? Oh, this one's a fusee. What is wrong with this one? I don't know. It's got a chain. I don't know what's wrong with this one. Staff is good. It runs. I took this one out because it had the adjustment there on the mainspring tension on the same side as everything else, so you have to take the dial off. But I guess this works. Oh yeah, this one's round all the way down, so it must work. Came with no hands or no back. What's this one? Oh yeah, we'll go down the line. That's wristwatch stuff. And let's see what this one is. Oh, this one's fancy schmancy. This one's got to be like 21 joules, I think. Some Swiss. This one works too. I think it's wound down. Yeah, it looks like used to be a high-end Swiss job. I don't know what that says. Oh, it's missing a hand. Oh wait, the hand is in here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. The dial's effed up. And what's this one? This one's just another Swiss one. The dial's wiped clean. I don't know why. And there's the movement. This one's good too. This one's got the what they call the parachute shock absorbing system, I think. You have to look that up if you want to know. But that's why I saw this in the bunch, so I said, oh, let me buy this. So this one works. What am I going to do with this? I don't know. It just looks nifty. Oh, here's another one with the dial wiped clean. And here's another one. This one, nothing special about this one, but it works. Looks nice. Yeah, I think I could put, if I find hands. And let's see, and then we got one last one. What is this one? This one has no dial. This one is this one, yeah, this one works too. This is a duplex movement. That's why I think, oops, it needs power. These are all wound down. But, yeah, I was lucky these were. You always get a bunch that don't work. But, that's the way we stand. I think I showed them all, except for this. What is this stuff? Oh, this is wristwatch stuff. What is this? Oh, Gerard, whatever that is. I don't even pronounce that. Gerard something. It's whatever. I don't know, I guess it's Swiss. I think it works. I got two of them. I don't know why I have two. What's that? This one's a Seahawk. I don't know why I have two of these. These came in with that. Will I ever get a case for any of this stuff? I don't know. I know I can't get it closed. Well, anyway, that's the way it is, so. So, it's gonna shut down soon. I'm low on memory. Anyway, so that's the end of the show. Thank you for your cooperation. I hope you enjoyed the program. And enjoy the rest of your day. We'll let this go at 45 before the memory dies.